Microtome safety. Wear the required personal protective equipment. Set up your workspace. Inspect the area for loose knives. All knives must be kept in appropriate containers. Do not leave the knives lying on the bench. Collect all required equipment before starting. Make sure the flywheel is locked. The flywheel must always be locked when manipulating the block, inserting the knife, or when there is a break in cutting. Make sure there is no knife in the holder and the blade locking mechanism is open. When open, the lever is down. Carefully remove the knife from its container. Insert the knife into the holder straight away. To insert, press the plate, then slide the knife into the holder. Hold the plate down and engage the locking mechanism by lifting the lever. Then, raise the knife barrier. Make sure the knife barrier is lifted and that the flywheel is locked. To insert the paraffin block, press your thumb against the chuck and your forefinger against the quick release lever. Then pull the lever towards you. Slide the paraffin block into the holder bottom first. Then press it firmly against the back of the holder. Release the lever to clamp the block firmly in position. First, lower the knife barrier. The block can be moved back and forth using the wheel on the left-hand side of the microtome. Check the position of the block relative to the blade and adjust if required. Then start trimming the block. By pressing the button on the left side of the microtome down, the trimming thickness will be doubled. Coarse trimming is used to expose the full face of the tissue. Release the button for fine trimming. Before removing the block, lock the flywheel, raise the knife barrier. To remove the paraffin block, press your thumb against the chuck. Draw the lever towards you with your forefinger, and then lift the block out of the holder. Lower the knife barrier. Before removing the blade, make sure the flywheel is locked. Brush the trimmed material off the plate using an upward motion. To disengage the knife, press the plate and lower the lever of the locking mechanism. Carefully slide the knife out of the holder and place it directly into a secure container. Finally, make sure the microtome is clean and ready for the next user.